I forgot who fucking posted it. I thought it was Nate or something. But what he was talking about, how he had to meet 35 blogs a month for like a $500 paycheck. And it got me thinking, like my writers are fucking, they want to get paid $60 per article, and I just can't do that now, you know what I mean? I have nothing to say. This fucking video's already fucking ruined. I don't even know if we're fucking recording, whatever, you know what I mean? There's plenty of more pizza anyways. So, yeah, I have nothing to say, bro. Just keep shooting. I just wanted some fucking pizza. I crave pizza like every fucking day. Can't have it every day.